because we're using debt. And debt is a two-edged sword out there. So you use debt, I use debt, but the more debt you use, but if you're not smart with it, it's like a loaded gun, you can protect yourself or you can kill yourself with it.
Debt isn't just a financial burden. It can be your secret weapon for building real wealth if you know how to use it right. While many people see debt as a scary trap filled with late fees and stress, the truth is that smart borrowing, like business loans and mortgages, can open doors to incredible opportunities. Ever wondered how some people seem to thrive on debt while others struggle? It all comes down to strategy. With the right approach, you could turn debt into a tool that helps you grow your wealth, not drain it. So, before we dive in, make sure to like this video, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Welcome to MarketReflect. What if everything you thought about debt was wrong? Most people hear the word debt and picture late fees, skyrocketing interest rates, and sleepless nights. But here's the twist. Debt can be a secret weapon. It's like fire. Dangerous if mishandled, but transformative when controlled. Think about it. Some of the wealthiest individuals and businesses on the planet didn't avoid debt. They mastered it. Debt boils down to one thing: an obligation to pay someone back. Sure, there's the bad kind: consumer debt, margin loans, or speculative borrowing. These are financial quicksand. But the good kind? That's where the magic happens. Business loans, mortgages, and investment loans are tools that can launch you into a whole new financial league. Not all debt is created equal. So, which one's your golden ticket? Credit card debt, the jester in disguise. Credit cards are the drama queens of the debt world. High maintenance, but capable of great things if used wisely. For example, zero-interest credit cards let you consolidate high-interest balances, giving you breathing room to pay them off faster. Just don't miss a payment. Penalty rates can hit like a wrecking ball. Business loans, the power suit of debt. Want to scale your business? Loans can cover everything from modern equipment to hiring star employees. Bonus? Business debt often comes with tax perks. It's like borrowing money to grow your empire while keeping the IRS on your side. Personal loans, the Swiss Army knife. Personal loans are versatile but can go either way. Use one to consolidate debt or renovate your home, and you're playing it smart. Blow it on a vacation? Not so much. Investment loans, the high-stakes gambler. These loans let you play bigger in the market. Got $10,000? Borrow another $10,000 and suddenly you're controlling $20,000 in stocks. If your investment grows 10%, you've doubled your gains. But if it tanks, you owe that money back, plus interest. Ever wonder why some people thrive on debt while others drown in it? The secret lies in the strategy. First and foremost, knowing your credit score is essential. It's not just a number, it's your financial reputation. A high score can lead to better loan terms, lower interest rates, and more opportunities. So, before diving into debt, ensure your score is strong enough to secure favorable terms. Next, think of your finances as a GPS. You can't get anywhere if you don't know where you're starting or where you're headed. Track your income, spending, and debts, and align your borrowing with your long-term goals, whether that's buying a rental property or funding a business expansion. When it comes to tackling debt, prioritize high-interest balances first. High-interest credit card debt acts like a financial vampire, draining your resources day by day. By paying these off first, you free up cash for wealth-building strategies. On the flip side, leverage low-interest debt to your advantage. Some loans come with perks, such as zero-interest promotional periods on credit cards or mortgage offset accounts. Utilizing these tools can help reduce your overall debt costs and give you more control over your finances. Lastly, borrowing to invest can be a game changer, but only if you've done your homework. Consider focusing on appreciating assets like real estate, stocks, or even alternative investments. What's the one asset class that has turned more people into millionaires than any other? It's real estate. And guess what? You don't need to be loaded to get in on the action, you just need to know how to use debt. Mortgages are the classic example. Say you buy a rental property with a loan. Over time, the property appreciates in value while your tenants pay down the mortgage. That's a double win: growing equity and passive income. But here's the kicker: once you've built enough equity, you can use it to buy another property. It's like a financial domino effect, only the pieces are worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Heads up though, real estate isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Market dips, repair costs, and vacancies can throw a wrench in your plans. That's why smart investors always keep a cash reserve for the unexpected. Think stocks and bonds are the only investments out there? Think again. Enter debt investments, the financial underdog that deserves a spotlight. Have you ever heard of collateralized loan obligations, CLOs? These are bundles of loans packaged together and sold to investors. Platforms like Yield Street allow you to tap into these and other debt-based investments, giving you the chance to diversify your portfolio in ways you might never have imagined. When it comes to modern portfolio diversification, it's time to forget the old-school formula of 60% stocks and 40% bonds. Today, savvy investors are opting for a mix of 60% public stocks, 20% fixed income, and 20% alternative assets like art, real estate, and private equity. Why make this shift? Because these alternative investments are often less tied to market swings, providing a smoother ride when the stock market gets bumpy. Why build a business from scratch when you can buy one that's already thriving? Acquiring an established business gives you instant access to revenue streams, a loyal customer base, and operational infrastructure. Yes, it's a big financial move, but here's the beauty. The business's income can help pay off the loan. Think about it. You're essentially using someone else's money to buy an income-producing asset. And if you improve the business, say, by upgrading systems or expanding services, you're setting yourself up for even bigger returns. What if you could double your investment power instantly? That's the allure of margin investing. It's like borrowing from your broker to supercharge your stock purchases. Say you've got $10,000. With margin, you could invest $20,000 instead. If the market climbs 10%, your profit isn't $1,000, it's $2,000. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. Losses are magnified too. And if your account dips below a certain level, you might face a margin call, a demand to deposit more money or sell assets at a loss. This isn't for the faint of heart, but for disciplined investors, margin can be a powerful tool. What's the biggest mistake people make with debt? It's ignoring the risks. Borrowing without a plan is like driving blindfolded. It can lead to serious trouble. Before you take on any debt, it's crucial to map out how it fits into your financial goals. A good rule of thumb is to never borrow more than you can comfortably pay back. This approach keeps you flexible and ready to seize new opportunities as they arise. Additionally, spreading your investments across various asset classes isn't just a smart move, it's essential. By including alternatives like real estate or private equity in your portfolio, you reduce your exposure to any single market shock. Remember, debt isn't something to fear, it's something to master. With the right mindset and strategies, you can transform it into a powerful launchpad for building lasting wealth. What's your take on using debt to build wealth? Do you see it as a smart strategy or a risky gamble? Share your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button and subscribe to Market Reflect. Stay tuned for more and catch you at the next one.